In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, or directly in the address bar at the top, paste this exact URL to go straight to the activation page. https://d.net.ac/IKEA/public/activate. Before you proceed, glance at the address bar to make sure the link is spelled correctly and that you see a secure connection indicator. That helps ensure you're on the correct site. When the page loads, have your IKEA Visa credit card handy, along with your billing details. You'll also want to make sure you have an online account set up. If you don't already have one, click on Register Now. Creating an account lets you manage your card online, and the site will guide you through the quick setup. Once that's done, return to the activation page if it doesn't take you there automatically. Now, you'll see the form where you'll enter the information needed to activate your card. Start with your credit card account number. This is the long number on the front of your card. Type it carefully and avoid spaces or dashes if the field doesn't allow them. Next, enter the card's expiration date. Make sure you select the correct month and year in the format shown on your card. You'll then see a drop-down related to your social security number. Choose the appropriate option there, and if you select social security number, enter the last 4 digits in the field provided. Be precise. If a single digit is off, the system won't be able to verify your account. After that, type your zip or postal code exactly as it appears on your billing address. Using the address linked to your card is important for verification. Take a moment to double-check everything you've entered. Confirm the account number matches your card, the expiration month and year are correct, the last 4 digits of your social security number are accurate, and the zip or postal code reflects your billing address. When you're confident everything is right, click Continue. At this point, the website will process your details securely. If anything doesn't match, you'll see an error message. Simply review your entries and try again. If you continue to have trouble, use the customer service number printed on the back of your card to get assistance from the card issuer. Once your information is accepted, you'll see a confirmation that your card is activated. That means your IKEA Visa is ready to use for purchases and rewards. And that's it. You're all